Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be good. We'll discuss about Oman airports recently. Today date is 23rd September 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Oman airport has already announced that they are going to open their flight operation, the airport normal flight operation from 1st of October 2020. But on 25th October, day after tomorrow on Friday, they need 150 volunteers. For what? They will check out all, there will be a trial actually, there will be a trial for checking COVID-19 measurements which they apply on the airport. So there will be these volunteers, they will take part for all those measurements, like from arrival to their exit. They will arrive, they will go to immigration, then they will go to luggage claim, and then they will come out for the taxi or for their own private vehicle, or for and as well they will trial for the parking as also. So inshallah khair, if you want to participate, Omanis also can participate and the expats also they can participate. For participating, the link is there. Either you can just visit Oman airport opening trial or the test flight, Oman airports / test flight. Even if you will type in Google, the first tab it will open Oman Air test flight. So inshallah khair, also those all volunteers who will attend this, 150 volunteers will attend, and they will get free COVID-19 test which is worth 25 OMR. So you can register, you can participate, and of course you will help them. God will help us. Stay blessed always. Take care. Allah Hafiz.